Video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to load data from flat file to flat file in IICS Informatica. So this is the video lecture, ninth is there. So in my last video, I discussed about how to load data from flat file to SQL Server. And here how to create the connection of flat file. This I discussed there on this video lecture or third. So you should watch this video because there I discuss about how to create the flat file connection. This is required. Now after that here let's see about the data inside flat file. So this is here source file and this is the record and this is now target file. So target file is empty. So here after let's go on this Informatica cloud. So this is Informatica cloud. All the services currently running. And if I go on this connection, here you can see this is the flat file connection is there. After that, let's go on this and click on this data integration. So data integration that's opening. So with the help of data integration, we can create the mapping, run the mapping. We can process so many tasks there inside the data integration. So now it's loading currently. So after that, let's go on this new and here select the mapping and click on this create mapping. So mapping is now created there and here first you need to give a meaningful name of the mapping. So m underscore flat file to flat file. So this should be meaningful and here let's give here some description loading data from flat file to another flat file. And after giving the description, let's click on this source. Then click on this source there. So you can see here already created this flat file connection is there. Select this one and here for object you need to click on this select. So selecting the object there. So this is here source object dpt.csv is there. So select this one and now if you want to see the data click on this preview. So data is now loading there. So here data preview, this is the data is there. Let's click on this tab and here this is the field. Here you can see. So the next is let's go on this target. So target and there let's see click on this incoming data, incoming field. So here all. Now thereafter let's click on this target. Here you need to select your. So this is the flat file that's selecting and thereafter here you need to select the object. So object that I'm selecting, so TCT flat department is there. Let's click on this OK. The next thing is operation. Here I'm doing the insert operation. You can see various operation you can perform, but there insert. After that target field, you can see this all taken. Let's click on this file field mapping and let make that little bigger. So now you can see incoming and here this is our target. Now thereafter let's select ID to DPT number and rest if you want then you can click on this automatic. It's not working. Okay, let's do the manual. Select first not by. Okay, do one thing, select the manual. Let's drag DPT number that's selected. After that the next is here let's select here smart way and this one let's select here smart way. If this works that's fine, not work drag and drop. So now you can see here this all done here. ID with DPT number, name, tname, address, location. And after doing this one, let's click on this save. So this is now mapping invalid. So now you can see mapping is valid. After that, click on this run. So click on this run. Thereafter, here you can see mapping is there, internal environment, this there. Let's click on this run. So this is now currently running. You can see the jobs by clicking there, and here you can see it's starting. And if this takes some time, then you can click on this refresh. So here it was 0, and after running the mapping, you can see the row processed. So this is still running. Let's refresh that. Here you can see this is success and 8 row processed. So if I go on this target flat file, so this is TZT flat file. If I click there, then you can see all the data from DPT that's loaded into TZT department. So this is the most simplest way we can load data from flat file to flat file in IICS Informatica. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.